both as a diagnostic and treatment tool.
Chemistry departments in hospital, medical labs analyze blood, urine, etc. for proteins, sugars, and other metabolic and inorganic substances. Electrolyte tests are in routine blood analysis, testing things like potassium and sodium. Medications are involved with inhibiting a specific enzyme or the expression of a gene. There are injections to help the prevent of possibility of diseases like tuberculosis or cervical cancer. Calcium is necessary for the growth and increased strength of bones. Protein, which is made of amino acids, is necessary for the growth and repair of muscles. This is how we know that milk is good for our growth. For any of these medicines to be created, the chemistry behind the solution must be fully understood. This is because some chemicals can be harmful to us, or some could be better than others, and so pharmacists will need to create a safe, effective drug to medicate the ill and bring them back to full health.
Chemistry in the food. A whole food is not poisonous, edible or drinkable. Substance consisting of components that can be ingested, absorbed, and used by the body for maintenance and development. What is food chemistry? Food science deals with the production, processing, distribution, preparation, evaluation, and utilization of food. Food chemists work with plants that have been harvested for food and animals that have been slaughtered for food. Food chemists are concerned with how the food products are processed, prepared, and distributed. For example, to address consumer demands, some food chemists are involved with finding fat and sugar substitutes that do not alter food taste and texture. Basic food chemistry deals with the three primary components in food that are carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins. Carbohydrates make up a group of chemical compounds found in plants and animals. Carbohydrates are the primary product of plants photosynthesis and are consumed as fuels by plants and animals. Food carbohydrates include the simple carbohydrates, that are sugars, and complex carbohydrates, that are starches and fiber. Lipids include fats, oils, waxes, and cholesterol. In the body, fat serves as a source of energy, a thermal insulator, and cushion around organs, and it is an important component of the cells. Since fats have 2.25 times the energy content of carbohydrates and proteins, most people try to limit their intake of dietary fat to avoid becoming overweight. In most instances, fats are from animal products, that are milk, meats, eggs, and seafood, and oils are from plants. Nuts, olives, and seeds. We use lipids for flavor to cook foods and to improve the texture of foods. Proteins are important components of food. Every cell requires protein for structure and function. Proteins are complex polymers composed of amino acids. There are 20 amino acids found in the body. 8 of these are essential for adults.
The chemical weapons started being used in the World War I.
The Germans started using chlorine and sulfur gases, causing severe damage psychologically, and most of them did not die. In 1970s, the Germans created sulfur mustard, C4H8Cl2S, also known as the mustard gas. This one is a volatile liquid and affects lungs, skin, eyes, and it also adheres to the clothing. The principal chemical agents used in weapons are choking agents, cyanides, nervous agents, and agents vesicants. Nowadays, in the war between US and Iraq, it was found a plant that produced chemical weapons in Afalua, in which United States also helped building it. But this one was inactive. And at Lebanon, it was found corpses with signs that they were killed by chemical weapons. Nowadays, these news are being hidden from society.
Global warming. The polar ice caps of the world are extremely sensitive to climate changes, and one of the consequences are the melting of them.
Global warming is causing the temperatures in the polar ice caps areas to rise twice as fast as other areas of the world. This is causing the ice to quickly melt and alter the environment. The Arctic ice cap is sea ice. It flows already. Many animals depend on the ice caps, and if they disappear, it could also create problems for locals of surrounding regions. The 3,000-year-old Ward Hunt ice shelf is greatly endangered by global warming. This shelf has now split in half and larger pieces of ice continue to break away from it. The polar ice is melting at a rate of 9% each decade. At this rate, the ice will soon be gone. Once the ice is gone, serious changes to the environment will begin to drastically occur. So we really need to find a solution for this problem. Some possible solutions will be explained in continuing. The solution is simple in principle but extremely complex in its implementation, in which is reduce the amount of fossil fuel being used. There are many possible alternative energy, including improvements to energy efficiency and vehicle fuel economy, so less energy has to be produced, and increases in wind and solar power, hydrogen produced from renewable sources, biofuels, natural gas, and nuclear power. Going nuclear. The one solution that really makes sense is nuclear power, which creates no carbon dioxide. It's cleaner and less costly than any other form of energy. Stop deforestation is another solution. Less trees means less absorption of greenhouse gases, which are in itself responsible for more global warming, which cause the melting of the ice caps. We can fight global warming by reducing deforestation and forest degradation. Managing forests and agriculture, therefore, should be the top priority to reduce carbon.
We, as a team, conclude that chemistry is important for our daily life, but the human uses it for the destruction without notice about it. He just searched power with chemistry and he did not use it in a positive way as a tool for the good of everyone.